Hi people, my name is MC, always your one and only Oga landlord of Lawyer Kunle, the cute Abiola's compound. Your one and only Egbon Adigo. You know how we roll, and we are at Canyon Event Center, Lekki, where we are having the Cool World 7.0 award. Yet, it's all about fun. It's my first time. I'm glad enough I'm one of the awardees, and I can't wait to have fun and to receive my award this night. People, it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. Keep watching and stay tuned. We are here live at Canyon Event Center, and we are here to have nothing but full fun. Thank you. God bless you.
My name is Samson Egbeyemi, CEO Broadband Entertainment. My stage name is Samson BB. Yeah, I'm a musician and a live band. So I'm here tonight. Kuwait Award are celebrating me tonight, and I'm really happy, and I'm cool with it. So I just pray for them that God will bless them, and God will uplift them, and God will bless anything they lay their hands upon. It's going to be prosper. So this is Samson BB. Samson today, ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ yẹmí. Samson today, ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ yẹmí. Àlùjọ tẹ́ tí ń retí mà tún ti dé o. Oyin mọ́. Thank you. Mwah.
Yeah, what up, people? It's your boy, Gorilla Boy, and I'm here for the Cool Words Award 2024. Today promises to be a blast. I've been nominated for the Director of the Year 2023, 2024, 2023, 2024. Trust me, this is my first time, but I know that it's going to be a blast. I know that it's going to be crazy. We have a lot of, like, I'm seeing a lot of beautiful people, so I know today I'm going to have fun. Big shout out to Cool Worlds for recognizing me. I appreciate them so much, and I know from today on, moving forward, we'll have a very, very good relationship. Big shout out to them. Thank you very much.
Yeah, what up, people? I go by the name Indomix. You can see I'm here at Cool Wealth Award Season 7. This award is a great award. I've been following this award for a very long time, from Season 1 up to Season 7. They always do great season by season. And if you're not here, you are missing. This award is, I really appreciate the organizer of this award for not relenting and still crediting all the people for the job they've done in the industry. Both movie, music, skits, in all aspects. I really appreciate them. This award is a very great one. If you're not here today, you are still missing. Don't miss it. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mrs. Kennedy, here, popularly known as Mommy K, all the way from Benin City. I'm here for Cool Weight 7.0 Awards. I'm here to have a lot of fun, a whole lot of fun. I'm here for Golden Sun Global Events. He's my kid brother, and I wish him many more prosperity, many more awards to come, many more wins to come. Ciao.